Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This was just perfect. This is scary. There must have been a stop sign or something, no?
Whoa! It's a crosswalk, and there was somebody waiting to cross, and he almost got run over because of me. Blackjack table? Holy shit, man, what the f are you doing?
That sounds like a flooding alarm. Perfect place, perfect time.
The other day, I forgot to tell you. She has a clear one. God. Yay! Oh God. You don't have to stay to make a report. No, you saw it.
Even the pedestrian checked to see if he just accidentally jaywalked.
What are you doing?
This driver seemed more crazy than the homeless man for a second.
Man!
There's a turning lane for a reason, you know? Three cars overtaken at the same time, wow.
You know, like you say if somebody was playing basketball, you were playing basketball in an attic of a house, right? You would feel kind of weird maybe because you're like,
Yeah.
the floor feels like, oh, it's but if this feels like you're playing like basketball like on the first, like you're just like,
God, dude, what is that,
I don't
bro?
know. It's just intense.
You've done.
What
Yeah.
the f was that?
You feel like it went well when you got done.
Yeah, it was just crazy. Yeah, I mean, it's like God shows up.
worst luck, seriously. Do trucks have any blind spots? Like their mirrors are huge, right? Maybe he just slid down the wrong road. I wonder what they did when they realised this driver had a dash cam. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.